I do here that is legit, and both the ones that are risky is what we talk about on this channel. And you can see we make videos every week, basically day on a daily basis. And I want to say something about latest programs that has crashed, that is yet to crash, and all of that. And I always say here, I always put what you can afford to lose. You may see some people putting $10, 50, 20, 30, because that is their risk. That is risk. That's what they can afford to risk. Any online business is risky, I must always say. But what do we do? Because if you check what is happening in the economic of the day, it is not smiling at anybody any day. You understand? So we need to keeping up, keep moving till we get to the landing spot. I know some marketers, some people who I know in the industry who actually at the beginning of everything started running programs upon programs before they get the final solution, and that is it. It's not a trial and error, but that is how life is kicking at us currently in the digital world. So guys, you are welcome to my channel. You can see I have a product that is working perfectly for over 4 months now. I've been enjoying this product, and it's called Validos. You can see on my page here, it is the full presentation about Validos that you need to know. Everything about Validos, how you can actually maximize Validos, is one product I recommend for you if you're interested to be part of it. Now, to subscribe to this channel is as simple as ABCD. Just click the like button, notification bell to get notified. At least you can be part of our community, and we will always have your opinion as at a fingertip. So guys, what I'm trying to talk about here is World OTC, the same copycat of COTP that we have been waiting for. And again, this one didn't even last up to 3 months, or just 90 days or 4 months. So you understand now, so that these guys have devised means of coming in with real faces, or paying people to come out with real faces, and at the end we just hit the wall. But I know for real there are programs that are legit. But why are we not doing that? Why most of us are not coming on board and not doing that? Well, we just want to make money. I take my risk. This very account I'm using to do these videos, what I'm going to use. I have other account, but I'm using this for the purpose of this video. And what I did here, I didn't even make a withdrawal at all. Any crypto together, new any up to 50%, everything, nothing. I didn't earn a penny. I'm sorry that it's coming late for me, because I had a challenge of free and be busy. That is why other things, and that is why. Now, new skills will be rolling up on this channel. Watch out how you can actually maximize real skills that can put real cash into your pocket. Real skills. That's what we have been doing. So much work is going on the background that will educate you guys how you can actually make money with your smartphone on a daily basis. You see, World WOTC did not even give us date, nothing, not even like the one of the one of COTP. They just came and then disappeared, and nothing else. So what do? People lost money. I know people did $5,000 just few weeks ago, and currently man, this is just a way beyond what you expected. But currently you can't make withdrawals. If you go to withdrawal record, I have not done a withdrawal here. I actually make money here, but I've not done any withdrawal. You can see $12, but I don't think if you click on withdrawal now, what you're going to get is going to be nothing but nothing. So guys, that is just for me to you guys. And you can see, you see, verify your real name, blah blah blah, and all of that. You see, they are asking me to do verification, but nobody is making withdrawals. Why are they giving us this date to do verification? Why? So that is just one of the game in this industry. So guys, that's my own update on world over the counter. We can actually do better on Binance with these strategies, what these guys are doing here. But you need your time, maybe 1 hour in a day. Pick one particular 1 hour in a day and actually do trade. I'm already working on that video to enlighten you guys how you can actually use, and if even if it's $5, $10 you're making daily for this over the counter trade on Binance is far better than all this platform. What do? Most of us want quick money, we want to make money fast. It doesn't give us time. We have script that was working for us and all of that. So that is just it. It's not working currently. If there's any update, I will always update you guys on time, and I'm going to promise I'm going to update you guys on time. Currently it's not working. Now Validos is better. I can actually say Validos is better. It's just like Omega Pro company that has been on for 4 years, over 4 years now, and that is where Validos is heading to. If you know how to get on board, get the link in the description of this video. Get yourself a spot. You can start with as low as $50 and your massive return. I did $50 at the initial time, and currently I've increased my sales, I've increased my portfolio, and it's amazing. It's a daily income, a monthly income, sorry, that is fetching me, giving me something substantial on a monthly basis without even looking back, looking. So COTPs and all these ones that comes around, you just will walk around to see how we can actually maximize at the initial time, and I will enlighten you guys what is really happening here. So that is just it, and that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel, comment, bell icon to get notified when I drop a new video. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.